Let's bake some delicious strawberry cookies. Let's go. Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video.
It's so we're getting cookies.
You making cookies?
Yes.
Alright, we're making cookies. Welcome to another episode of Love is a Work of Heart. And in today's video, I'm including my wonderful helpers.
Hi.
This is
Jemiah.
And this is
Markiel.
And these are the Best Kids, and they're taking over the Best Kitchen. We're making some strawberry cookies. Let's go ahead and get into this video.
So what we will need is a big bowl.
Yeah.
This can be a glass bowl or any type of normal bowl, as long as it's just big enough.
Tell them what you need, Markiel. What's this?
Eggs.
Okay, what's that?
Sugar.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay.
And then you need the cake mix.
Yes. And oil. And many cups.
Measuring cups.
And a bowl.
In the bowl. Good job. All right. So let me grab you some scissors.
Yay!
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First thing you're gonna do is
Open the box.
okay. What are you guys doing? Are you excited about your cookies? Crack it. All right, leave it alone. No water. Great with chocolate. All right. Hershey, Jemiah, you gonna turn the oven on 350?
100.
350. Turn right on.
And 100.
100.
Yes.
Go.
All right. So let's move this up here. All right, now that your hands is all washed, you're going to take the ball of
Yay.
let's see if we got an ice cream scooper.
Okay, so now that the cookies are done and they had cooled down, we have these little cookie cutters. You can get them from Dollar Tree, and we're gonna cut them.
Yeah.
It's good. It's too sour. Like the handsome. We want to just say thank you for watching. We love you and have a great Valentine.